Hi, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair, Captain Kirk. If you come out here, ask for me. I'm going to show you this brand new piece of inventory to us. It is a used pre-owned. It is a 2015 2295 Lance. We do sell Lance new. This is a nice piece of inventory. I actually really like it a lot. It's got an awesome floor plan, tons, abundance of storage in this unit. You got your battery storage up front, spare tire location. It does have a slide out with a little awning topper on it on this side. I do want to show you some other nice features down the side of this here. Lance is awesome about these pull-out trays and their front storage bins. Storage all the way across the front, real nice, easy accessible. Throw your fishing poles and everything in there and be able to pull it out and get to it. It has your dump hose storage across the front as well. It is fiberglass with a full awning across the side here. Outdoor speakers. It does have a cool little outdoor kitchen area here. It's on a tray that pulls out to here a little ways, and you're gonna have a sink, hot and cold water, a little cooktop, and you're gonna have some storage. This thing has a ton of storage, it's pretty great. It does have a rear bumper on it and a ladder to climb and a walk-on roof. And then let's take a look inside here and we'll show you around real fast. It's got a nice lend-a-hand handle on your way in. So as you make your way in, you can see it's got a nice bedroom to it. Lots of storage on either side of the bed. It does have a nice front window here. This TV, actually, the entertainment actually spins around to be in the bedroom or in your living room. Right now it's set to be in the living room. So you have this area here, your entertainment, fireplace just for looks, but it does put out a little electric heat, which is nice. Big drawers in your storage compartments here, which is pretty awesome. There's little pins on them to remove and pull out. Like I say, this thing boasts a ton of great storage. Big booth dinette. This is gonna have storage in the kitchen, decent ample counter space. The cool thing is, check this big closet here out. You got your fridge, pull-out pantry here, and then you have big closet space here across the back, which there's closets and storage in this thing all over the place. More storage. All very nice quality. It is a Lance product. I'm going to try to trade you places here. Take a look in that bathroom. Lots of good storage. Medicine cabinet, big pantry, or excuse me, closet. Stand-in shower. Lots of storage all the way around. I like this unit. It's very clean. This unit and anything else here at Guaranty, I'm happy to show to you. Please give me a call at 541-601-8742. Hope you're enjoying your day. Thanks a lot. Bye.